Hey guys, it's Becca, and today we're going to open the August 2019 package for Creative Notions. Got the package right here. Let's dive in. I need some scissors. Sneak peek time. Here is our package this month. It's another canvas drawstring bag. Vicky, I love when you send packages in a drawstring bag. No joke, I've got a stack of them over there. You can't see, but I have a stack of them over there, and I love them because I can reuse them. So thank you for being the only subscription box to do that. Get rid of the box because I just throw them away. Just stick with this. Here is my drawstring bag opened up. Let's take a look at what's inside. Seriously. My husband and my mom and my daughter are literally right at the top of my stairs having a conversation. I don't know what they're talking about, but I can hear the whole conversation. Can you? Yeah, I have no idea what they're talking about. Let's just jump in. Okay, you guys, the pamphlet this month, Vicky at Creative Notions has definitely stepped up her game. It is not a small card. It is a full-on pamphlet on a high-quality piece of paper. It's high gloss, thick quality, nice weight, full color printing and illustrations throughout. Oh, wait a second. There's one more thing on here that makes me maybe want to keep this. There's a recipe on the back, you guys, for strawberry pretzel salad.
I used to make that.
My mom is right there, off camera. She's in her pajamas. And at 6 o'clock in the evening, Mom, have you changed out of your pajamas today?
I have shorts on.
She has shorts on under a nightgown. So the answer to that is no.
Maybe.
My mom has been in her pajamas all day.
Pajama days.
Pajama day. You don't care about my recipe or this pamphlet. What you care about is the box. And hey, Vicky, check this out. Mom, look what I got.
Another bag.
I told you, she loves these. She took my whole stack, and I'm okay with that. She's literally got them in a Creative Notions box. She's been hoarding them.
Show them.
see, look, Vicky, look. All your bags are right here. And we're going to put this one in here too and pass it along to my mom. I love that you're putting things in the drawstring bag, so thank you. Okay, first up is our little lanyap bag, and this is something that they put in every box. There's no retail value associated with it. It's just a little freebie. It's their way of saying thank you for being a subscriber. And so this month, down inside, we have a paper straw. It looks like a paper strawberry straw. Yep, you can blow through it. Definitely a paper straw. We also, which goes with the packet of strawberry lemonade.
Oh, yum.
Again, peanut gallery over here. Here you go, Mom.
Here.
Strawberry lemonade. Put it in your cup. Oh, here's a straw to put with it.
Oh, nice catch.
And we have a little toothpick umbrella. Here, Mom, you want to put this in your strawberry lemonade?
Well, just hold the phone here. Hold the camera.
Hold the camera. Hold the phone. These are cool. Ooh, look at that.
Mai Tai.
Here you go. Make a Mai Tai. She's literally using the strawberry lemonade packet right now with the strawberry paper straw and the little umbrella. And we...
You can have that.
Did you hear that? Did you hear the...
Here.
And a piece of strawberry candy. I'm supposed to show you this.
Pretty. Just so y'all know, it was lemon water.
Yeah, that's good. I like it. All right. So, that was our freebie. Next up, we have another freebie. Oh, look, and they actually put this in here. Lots of extras. And the price value is just for fun. So that was some of the just for fun. We also have a recipe card. This is the front and this is the back. It's a pretty good card stock. The print quality looks nice. It looks like it would hold ink pretty well. So this is nice. But I don't know who made it or where you got it. And if you're a stationery fiend like me, you probably would like to get more of these. So I'd love it if you could comment down below, Vicki, and let me know where I could pick up more of these recipe cards. I love recipe cards. Check that recipe card out. That's cute, and I love strawberries.
Me too.
Isn't that cute?
Oh yeah, this looks like something you would buy.
See, Vicki? Where can I buy more of those? The next thing we have is a strawberry pincushion pattern, which they say retails for $12. Now in the past, although I love the Creative Notion boxes, the patterns I have always felt were a little subpar in this box, but I think they've heard that and they've adjusted because this pattern, this looks pretty nice. This really doesn't look like something that Creative Notions printed off their printer and just shoved in here. It actually came in an envelope and everything. I think this is just the way the pattern is distributed. $12 does seem like a pretty hefty price for that, but I am sure that is not a price that they just slapped on there. I am sure that is a price that was suggested by the pattern designer. I don't know that I would pay $12 for this pattern. Let me look. I see something in here. Well, maybe I would, because it does include some templates. Maybe I would. That's probably about what I would spend on this in a quilt shop. Well, not hating it. It is easy to read, and that's the important thing. Okay. Set that aside. That was $12. The next item we have Dritz glass head pins. These are glass head pins and they are colored. Let me take them out of this little bag. Have my feeling my mom's gonna put this in her sewing notions box over there. There are 40 of them. They are multicolored and this retails for $3.64.
Let me see those.
Yeah, she just claimed them for her sewing area.
Yeah, I need some more of those.
I love their pins because they're small and they're sharp and the glass head is easy to grip. Okay, I've got two things left. A box, which I'm really excited about, and my fabric. Let's look at the fabric first. So this month we have a fat quarter bundle that contains 8 fat quarters from the Rhapsody line by Sedef Emmer for Riley Blake Designs. Each fat quarter retails at $3 a piece, giving you a total retail value of $24. Let's take a look at each of the prints in this collection. This is fat quarter number 1. It does look a little red on the camera, and I know that's because my white balance is off, but it is actually more of a pink. This is a soft pink with little flowers on it. This is fat quarter number 2. Fat quarter number 3 is a white fabric with some pretty blue and pink flowers with some green leaves. Fat quarter number 4 is another of that pink, although it's looking more red or fuchsia on the screen. This is a blender with some white polka dots. Fat quarter number 5 is a yellow with some blue, pink, and yellow flowers and some red flowers.
I like that.
Mom likes that.
I also like the polka dots.
She also likes the polka dots. Fat quarter number 5 is another white with a bigger floral on it. I think that was fat quarter number 6, not 5.
It was.
That was 6. If I said 5, I'm sorry. This is fat quarter number 7.
That's mine.
No, that's mine. I love this one. It's got lots of shades of blue with some soft pinks in there. Mom thinks she's gonna steal it, but Mom is wrong.
You gotta go to work sometime.
This is fat quarter number 8. It is a pretty pink. I actually really love that shade of pink with a bigger floral print on it. And Mom went, it's mine. So Vicki, thank you for these fabrics. I think between my mom and I, we're probably gonna divide them up and conquer. I don't know what we'll do with them. but I really like them, so thank you. All right, the last item, which is the item that I've been most excited about. I know you guys typically like the fabric opening and reveal, but who can't resist a box with a pretty bow on it, all wrapped up and put into your package?
I bet there's chocolate in it with strawberries.
No, if there were chocolate covered strawberries, it would have been in a snack bag because she always puts the sweet treats in one bag. And her pamphlet said that there was jewelry.
Oh, she's giving you a charm.
No, I think they discontinued their charms. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Hurry! It's Christmas.
It won't open. Ah, there we go.
After I cleaned your basement.
Oops. Ooh. Ooh. We got some of this. We got some more of this. We got some more of this. And there was confetti down in there because there's some more confetti. Okay, see, there's confetti in there. We got a box of confetti. I'm sorry, there's really more. Okay, we've got a lanyard. I've made lanyards like this for people at work out of fabric, so I can appreciate this. And it's got a little keychain thing on it too. But look, I've made these before. And these are such a hit at work. Everybody asks me to make one for them. They're super easily made. But such a cute touch. And I love the fabric that she's done this in. So I'm actually gonna...
it's the pink that I claimed.
Oh, it sure is. I can make my mom one.
Who doesn't work any longer. And does not need a lanyard anymore.
So this is really cute. I'm actually going to use it for my badge. I'll put it on there tonight when I, or tomorrow morning when I go to work. All right, the last thing we have is this cute tin that has a strawberry on top and there's something inside and there's a tin and it feels like there might be something in the tin too. So let's pluck open the strawberry. Oh, the strawberry is magnetic. Look at that.
Mine.
I think this might be a zinger. Let's open it up. Oh,
it's mine.
I don't know, but do you see why now, like, I like this box? It's fun to open, right? Oh.
Okay.
Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is a freebie. It didn't cost $10. This is a freebie. This is a zinger, and this is what they're retailing at $10. It is a zinger. Like, apparently that's the name for it, but it has a clip on the back, a magnet on the front, so you can change out this and put something else on there, and you can attach it to your lanyard that you got. Yeah, this is really cute. I like this. And you can put your badge on here, so super nice. I will definitely get a lot more use out of something like this than the charms that we got. The charms were great, but this is really cool. The magnet is pretty strong too, and so I'm guessing what's probably going to happen for this quarter, this is our featured piece of jewelry, and each month we're probably going to get a new magnet to change out on the cover, and they're probably all going to be quilting related. This one is a pin cushion. The last thing in this box is a needle tin by Quilt Dots. This says happiness is handmade, and it slides open to hold some needles in there. This retails for $10. I love this box, guys. $59 for a $35 subscription cost. I happen to think it's worth it. It's a lot of fun to open, and Vicki and team really puts a lot of thought and effort into making sure that each package feels like Christmas morning. You're opening a little present every time. So if you want to check them out, get in on the fun, go down to the description box and there will be a link to their website where you can sign up for the Creative Notions subscription box. That's all I've got for now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Adios.